Are you stuck in smartphone purgatory? You know the place, where your photos are fine but not great, where your vlogs look a little shaky and sound, well, like they were shot on a phone. You see the beautiful, crisp content from your favorite creators and wonder, what's the secret? What if I told you that the secret isn't some $10,000 cinema camera? What if I told you that you could shatter that glass ceiling and create content that looks professional, cinematic, and absolutely stunning without breaking the bank? Today, we're doing just that. Forget the four-figure price tags. I'm counting down the top 5 budget cameras of 2025 that will completely transform your creative game. We'll dive deep into not just what they are, but who they're for. Whether you're a future YouTuber, a photography hobbyist, or just want to capture your memories beautifully, one of these cameras has your name on it. Let's get into it. First up, we have the undisputed all-star of the budget world, the Canon EOS R50. Seriously, this thing is a beast in a tiny body. It's for the creator who wants to do it all and wants a camera that won't hold them back as their skills grow. Let's talk specs. It's packing a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. That's the same size sensor you'll find in much more expensive cameras. This translates to insanely sharp, vibrant photos with beautiful natural colors that just pop off the screen. But the video, oh, the video! You get buttery smooth, uncropped 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, oversampled from 6K. That's a huge deal. It means you're using the entire sensor to get incredibly detailed footage that looks like it came from a camera 3 times the price. No weird cropping, no compromises. And the autofocus? It's like a psychic. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus 2 is lifted directly from their professional R series cameras. It locks onto your eyes, face, or even animals and vehicles and never lets go, even if you're moving around erratically. For my fellow creators, it has a close-up demo mode that instantly and smoothly shifts focus to products you hold up to the lens. If you need one camera that can flawlessly handle cinematic vlogs, stunning portraits, and fast action shots without missing the beat, the R50 is your new best friend.
Next, for my aspiring YouTubers and vloggers, meet your purpose-built secret weapon, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Sony looked at every pain point for vloggers and designed this camera to solve them, making your life easier so you can focus on your content. You know that beautiful, blurry background, the bokeh all the pros have? The ZV-E10 has a dedicated background defocus button. One press and bam, instant cinematic depth, no menu diving required. It also has a product showcase mode, a feature Sony pioneered that tells the autofocus to prioritize objects you hold up, so no more awkward hand-waving to get the camera to focus on what you're reviewing. It just knows. Audio is half the battle in video, and this is where the ZV-E10 shines. It comes with a high-quality 3-capsule internal microphone and a fuzzy windscreen right in the box, so your audio will actually match your awesome video quality from day one. And because you can swap lenses with Sony's massive E-mount system, this camera can grow with you. Start with the kit lens and later add a prime lens for even better low-light performance. For the serious vlogger who wants pro features without the pro price tag, the ZV-E10 is an absolute no-brainer. What if you want great quality without any of the hassle? Say hello to the Sony ZV-1F, the ultimate pocket rocket. This camera is for the social media creator who wants to just point, shoot, and get amazing-looking footage for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts without getting lost in complicated menus. Its secret weapon is the ultra-wide 20mm equivalent fixed lens. No more selfie arm trying to fit everything in. It captures the whole scene, you, your friends, and the background every time. It shoots in sharp 4K and has that same magical one-touch bokeh switch for pro-looking background blur. This isn't about deep manual controls. It's about speed, simplicity, and looking great on camera with its soft skin effect, which you can dial in to smooth out blemishes without looking unnatural. It's the perfect first step for anyone ready to ditch their phone and get serious about creating high-quality, vertical content fast. Alright, let's switch gears. What if your passion is pure, unadulterated photography? Meet the legend, the Canon EOS Rebel T7. In a world of mirrorless everything, this camera will teach you the art of photography. It's a DSLR, which means you get that satisfying lag-free optical viewfinder that lets you see exactly what the lens sees in real time. This direct connection to your subject is something many photographers still swear by. Its 24.1 megapixel sensor delivers those beautiful, rich colors and tones that Canon is famous for. Now let's be real, its video capabilities are basic, and the autofocus is a step behind the mirrorless cameras on this list. It's a learning tool. It forces you to get hands-on with settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO to understand how they work together to create an image. If your dream is to capture breathtaking still images, from landscapes to portraits, and master the fundamentals of photography, the Rebel T7 is your boot camp. And the price? It's an absolute steal for the image quality and the vast ecosystem of affordable EFS lenses you get access to.
Finally, rounding out our list is the Canon EOS R100, the camera for everyone who says, "I just want something better than my phone." This is the ultimate no-fuss upgrade. It packs the power of a modern mirrorless camera, a large 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor for amazing low-light photos and that creamy background blur, into a body that's so small and light you'll actually take it with you. Think family vacations, school plays, and birthday parties. Its autofocus is brilliant and simple, locking onto faces and eyes so you can say goodbye to those blurry family photos where the tree behind you is sharper than your kid. It's designed for simplicity, with creative assist modes that guide you, asking simple questions like, "Do you want the background blurry or sharp?" to help you get the perfect shot without knowing the technical jargon. If you just want to capture life's moments with a quality and depth your phone can only dream of, the R100 is your answer. And there you have it, 5 incredible cameras for 5 different creators, all without destroying your bank account. From the all-in-one powerhouse R50 to the purpose-built vlogging ZV-E10 to the pure photography experience of the T7, there has never been a better time to level up your creative work. The jump in quality from a smartphone to a dedicated camera is the single biggest leap you can make. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these cameras screamed, "That's the one for me"? Are you Team Canon or Team Sony? What's the first thing you would shoot? Drop a comment below. I read every single one, and I want to know what you're planning to create. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and be sure to subscribe for more tech breakdowns that get straight to the point. Now go out there and create something amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.